Hello, God bless you today. My name is DrIrisBarrett, and I would like to share something to encourage you about how it is that God moves in the lives of His people. Now, my experience has been that as I am building my relationship with the Lord, intentionally making room for Him in my life by spending time in the Word, by praying, by sharing with others my experience with Him, that God just shows up and enables me to do what it is He's placed me on this earth to do. And that's what He desires to do in the lives of His people. Now, I love in the Bible the life of David. In 1 Samuel 17, we see David, a youth, coming up against a giant, Goliath. There is so much in that chapter, but two things really stand out to me. Number one is that David used a slingshot and 5 stones. God had given him a talent, an ability, and he just used what God had already given him. And then secondly, I love the fact that David took off running toward Goliath. How is it that he was so bold? Well, David remembered the relationship he had with the Lord when he was tending sheep, and God enabled him to fend off lions and bears, and he just translated that to dealing with Goliath and took that giant down. I, as well, am reminded of my own life. 23 years ago, I left the business world to found the Word is My Life training ministry, and God enabled me. And today, I'm still counseling and ministering to so many, especially desiring to help those who want to build a relationship with the Lord. I have a one-on-one discipleship experience called Disciple Me. And if you'd like to know more, I've got a video that is found in the notes of this post. And as well, I minister to individuals who desire healing for soul wounds. If you've had traumatic life experiences that you know are still hindering you, well, I have something called Jesus Restore Me. And if you're interested in more information, there's a video again in the notes to this post. I desire to be a blessing to those that would like to reach out to me. But I encourage you, develop your relationship with the Lord. Make room for Him, and He will enable you to do what He has placed you on this earth to do. Now, ever onward, ever forward. Peace.